Alright, so once we completed on initial condition, the next step is step 1. So for step 1, now the start button will be input for step 1, and it must trigger, alright, this cylinder. So at moment, this cylinder and this cylinder must be activated so that this one can be pushed outside, the rectangular product, okay, can be pushed outside, same as the cylinder product, okay, it must be pushed outside, okay. So how to do it, as I do mention in step 1, when start button is activated, okay, we have to set the cylinder product and also the rectangular product. So now we will key in this program. So now we will go to this step, alright. So network 2 as name as step 1, okay, completed. Alright, so again bring the memory RS, okay, here, let's say here, okay. Now change this one to M0.1, okay. So the input now, there will be two M0.0 and start I1.2. So what you have to do now, alright, so normally open M0.0, don't forget, okay, okay, insert column, alright, so I will put here, so another one, okay. You can also apply copy and paste, okay, but I do manually first. 1.2, okay, alright. So now we also have reset, don't forget, okay. I will do apply Control copy and paste, and then Control V, and then I press Control to link, okay, the arrow. So this one must be reset by M0.2, alright. So here will be M0.2. Okay, so at moment the input for memory M0.1 completed, okay, the program completed. So now, alright, later on we start to, okay, include the output for circle product and rectangular product. So how to do it? So I do recommend, okay, you put, okay, allow several spaces for network, okay, because we don't want memory, okay, we don't have memory output, and then memory, so the program will become messy. So I do recommend, if memory, everything memory, okay, leave several spaces, okay, then put output. Alright, for output, the same RS will be used, okay, this here. Okay, now the first cylinder is actually Q0.5 circle product cylinder. So I will type Q0.5. Okay, so it is set by M0.1. So M0.1, so I will bring this one and place M0.1. Okay, so the same thing. So I do recommend also put a title, circle product cylinder. Okay, so now I will also include, okay, just apply Ctrl C, copy, okay, and then I will paste here. Okay, now we will apply, okay, programming technique. Alright, so this one I change to rectangle, okay, rectangular product cylinder. So this one, it will be Q0.0. so Q0.0. Alright, okay, completed. So another thing is actually we left is actually reset, okay, but for this one I do suggest you start to include, okay, M10.0. okay, M10.0 is actually, as I do teach in the class, normally I use for stop or emergency stop. So here, okay, now I will include also emergency stop. Alright, so here, okay, because the button is normally closed, so here I will apply normally close. So the stop button, as I do put in the symbol table, emergency stop here 2.3. okay, so I will go here, I 2.3. okay, so and then trigger for output, this is the relay coil or output. Okay, drag to here and then mention M 10.0. So I do also recommend to start include, okay, in our initial condition and also step 1. So what we have to do now, alright, so okay, normally open, okay, drag here, so it will be M 10.0. okay, alright, and then here you can link, okay, same as this one. So I will start to copy and paste or Ctrl C Ctrl V. alright, place here and then Ctrl V. okay, so now pressing Ctrl going upward. Okay, so now we have reset everything. Alright, so once completed, okay, well, the next thing to do is actually to test our program.